Hello and welcome to City College Peterborough and the study programmes. This is Hospitality and Catering. We offer different levels of qualifications in the area of hospitality and catering, predominantly from our Brook Street campus where we have a purpose-built training kitchen. The Hospitality and Catering course is ideal for you if you are interested in a career in hospitality and catering. Careers available include a chef, a baker or kitchen manager. The qualification for hospitality and catering will give you the skills, knowledge and behaviours required to work in this industry. They are engaging and will inspire you in preparation for your career. Each level will build upon your existing knowledge, skills and behaviours, enabling you to become the catering practitioner of the future. You'll cover a variety of topics, including the hospitality sector, different cooking methods and food safety. Whilst you're on programme, you will be expected to attend a work placement to gain experience in a real work environment. This could be in a restaurant or cafe, school kitchen or a staff canteen. The opportunities are really vast in this sector. You will also need to do English and Maths if you haven't previously attained the levels required. If you'd like to join us here at City College Peterborough, please complete an application form. The team here at City College Peterborough is ready to welcome you and look forward to seeing you soon.